Welcome to McLaren Northern Michigan, where we are committed to providing excellent, compassionate, patient-centered care and are truly honored to be partners in your health care. We know that being in the hospital can be stressful. You might be worried or anxious, so let us explain to you what you can expect during your stay. It's important to us that you have the best experience possible. Good communication is key between the healthcare team and you and your family members. It can have a profound effect on your healthcare outcome. This is why when during shift change, your current nurse shares vital information with you and your oncoming nurse. This is called bedside report. A safety check is also performed, and you are introduced to your new nurse at the same time. Questions may come up when your care team isn't present, so please be sure to write down these questions on your journal sheet so you can discuss them with your care team later. The more involved you are in your own healthcare, the better. A care partner is a designated family member or friend of yours who is responsible for sharing private patient information with your family and friends. The role of the care partner is to act as an advocate for you. This allows you to focus solely on your rest and recovery. Visitors are welcome during your stay. Staff must be able to access all sides of the beds at all times. You can help by keeping rooms clutter-free and by limiting visitors to 2. Waiting and reception areas are available for additional visitors. Hospitals can be very busy and noisy, but we do work very hard to create a quiet and healing environment. This is why we observe quiet hours from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. During this time, we will try to limit the amount of interruptions. If you have difficulty resting, please let a nurse know. We can offer a quiet packet that will help you rest. Hungry? To better serve you, food services are available for you and your family. You can order room service between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. For an additional fee, your family can order room service as well and have it delivered to your room. Or they can visit the cafeteria located on the main floor and enjoy the view. Family and visitors getting antsy? Need to stretch your legs and get some exercise? Send them to the walking track located on the lower level. Do they need a quiet place to pray and reflect? The spiritual center is located on the first floor. Or check out the center of the hospital grounds. There you'll find a garden with a rolling stream. Sit and relax for a while. How about some fresh air? Just outside the hospital doors is the beautiful Little Traverse Bay. It's a great place to take a walk and enjoy beautiful Northern Michigan. The gift shop is your mini store in the hospital. They have gifts, toys, flowers, and more. Do you need to stay overnight? Several local hotels have discounts for patients' families. Ask the nurse for details. Our nursing staff is the front line of your care. They will be with you every step of the way during your hospital stay. We are a magnet hospital, which is a pretty big deal. Only 6% of hospitals in the entire country reach magnet status. It's the greatest recognition possible for nursing excellence. Our nurses are highly skilled and dedicated to their patients. Please feel free to ask your nurses what magnet means for you. It's important to keep you safe and to prevent injuries such as slips or falls. A nurse will evaluate and make recommendations based on your specific needs. This may include the use of special socks, handrails, bed rails, or a wheelchair. Most importantly, anytime you need help, just ask. Do you feel any discomfort? If you're experiencing pain, please let us know. By using a pain scale to rate your discomfort, your care team can create a pain management program tailored to your individual needs. Together, we can take steps to avoid the spread of infections. Hand hygiene is the most effective way. Wash in, wash out. This helps to prevent the spread of germs. Don't be afraid to ask everyone that comes into your room to wash their hands. And I mean everyone. Physicians, nurses, family members, absolutely everyone. A clean environment is a germ-free environment. Your room will be cleaned daily. Should the need arise between cleanings, just ask. Sneeze and cough into your elbow, not your hand. Take your medications as directed. Influenza is the most frequent cause of death from a vaccine-preventable disease in the United States. Help prevent disease. Ask your nurse for a flu shot today. If you or one of your care team members feel your medical condition is rapidly changing, notify your nurse right away. If after notification you would like your concerns addressed further, ask for the Critical Assessment Team. This team will review your current medical condition and use special screening protocol to manage your condition going forward. Before you leave the hospital, fill your medications and save time. Prior to discharge, we can have your homegoing prescriptions ready and delivered to your room. Our care for you goes beyond your hospital stay. Our discharge planners help to make sure that you leave the hospital safely and smoothly, and that you have a solid plan for continued care. Vital Care of McLaren Northern Michigan may be able to help. Vital Care provides visiting nurses, private duty services, hospice, medical equipment, education, and much more. As the care team completes your discharge papers, please note that it may take a bit of time to get everything ready. Be patient, we know you're eager to get on your way. However, we must make sure we've completed all necessary paperwork and physician orders accurately.
Thank you for choosing McLaren Northern Michigan. Our goal is to provide health care as we expect for our own family, and that includes you. Please let us know how we can improve your experience while you're under our care. Our highly qualified healthcare team is here to provide you comfort in a positive, caring environment. Because at McLaren Northern Michigan, we have the heart of a community hospital, but we're so much more.